Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to save a Google form as a PDF. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page where in the upper right corner we can get started. In the upper right corner you can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just log into your Google account normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started. If you do not already have a form, you can do so by creating it right here. You can go and take a look at all your recently created forms right here as well. And now let's go and take a look how we can go ahead and save a form as a PDF file. So if you don't already have a form, you can just go and create one right from here. As you can see, you can give it a name, a description, you can input some questions you want to use. Here I already have my form. As you can see, my tutorial form for a video where I have a question with some answers. And now let's say I want to go ahead and save this form as a PDF. Basically, there is no direct way to save it as a PDF file, but what we can do is go ahead and choose the PDF option when deciding to print the form. So in the upper right corner, if you click on the three dots right here next to your name, you can see, take a look at this new drop down menu that opens up, and one of the options is going to go ahead and enable us to print. So by clicking the print option, this is now going to go ahead and enable us to choose the destination. As you can see, Microsoft Print to PDF, and we can choose save as PDF. So this is now going to enable us to save our form as a PDF file. You can choose your pages, how they're going to look like, your layout, and so on. So go ahead and save it as a PDF file, and by clicking the save button, this is going to enable you to save it wherever you want as a PDF file that you can then access, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.